Oh hey guys, how's it going? I didn't see you there. I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. I'm going to throw it back 20 years, back to my childhood, back to some amazing memories. 1999, where it all started. And I'm here today to relive that and to enjoy it with you guys. And hopefully you guys are just as excited as I am, and I just want to take you along with my journey. I want to show you some new age Pokemon toys. It's happening. It's here guys. It's trending. Let's get at it. Here it is. Our first Elite Trainer box opening. It slides. Throw it away. There it is. A book. Oh, that's pretty cool. Goes over the cards. See what we got? Pull off the sleeve. Because, you know, throw it away. So, what's in the box? Oh my gosh. EV packages. Use these. Sleeve the cards. What else do we got? I don't even know what this is. It's got a barcode on it. I think I read somewhere that there's like Pokemon Online or something. Do something with it. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. EVV Max. What do we got here? Big pack. Energy cards. I don't know what these things are. They're like cardboard and they got a picture of this EV character on it. What? 50, 80, 160? Like, what the heck are these things? Dice with numbers on them. I don't know. We'll just toss them away. Okay, this is something else. I don't even know. Phones. You see that? And booster packs. All right, let's start with this guy. I don't know. Rip right into pack number one. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys are gonna see before I do. Energy. Rusted sword? Eggrus? What the heck is that? Dartrix. Dartrix? Bazil? Bazil? Yanima. Terpinchi? Like a pinchy? I don't know. Looks pretty cool. Shiny Xenix. Roulette. Are cool? Cool? Oh, it looks kind of shiny. I guess it's a hollow, I guess. I don't know. It's shiny. The whole card's kind of flashy. That's the first pack. Round 2. Let's go. Okay, let's flip them over. See what we got. Energy. No. Ball guy. No, that's original. Kind of looks like me. Look. Ball guy. Gororad. Tawaki. Like wacky tobacco. Who knows? There we go. Horsey. Okay, Horsey I do remember. He's one of the original 151. Yaman. Morpico. Coughing. I do remember coughing. This card looks Pokemon if I remember correctly. Benzofleur. Oh. What do you think? Eevee. Numero 12. Alright, here we go guys. Plant energy for all you vegans. Any Gross. Tropus. I keep getting these ball guys. No, this kind of looks like me. Grossifer. Grossifer. Yanaman. We already got one of those. But there's another one. Sonorum. Cassafont. Grookili. Ooh, this one's shiny. Ziggaroo. Sword and Shield, so it's pretty shiny, you can see. Boss's orders. I don't know. I know star means that it's rare, so I'm gonna keep the rare ones there. Pack number 4. And we've got energy. Another rusty sword. Loat seal? If I'm not pronouncing these right, you guys will let me know. Dartrix. Tree pinch. Tree pinch. It looks like an anteater. Look at that guy. Snome? Got like a garden gnome snome. Broccoli? Not even sure. Spinnera. Shinix. Yanamaga. Probably decent. Chevilville. Like this. Shiny. 6 left. Oh. Energy. Troparaz. A gym trainer. Floteraz. Trafolet. Norkiet. Colorasifa. Canisicia. Crucifont. There we go. Ressurram. It looks pretty shiny. I don't know. Maybe it's worth something. Indeedee! Probably worth something. I don't know. It's shiny. Ah, there it is. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fireball. You want to see them all? Let's see them. Todoroki. Rodaman. Todoroki. Look, another Pikachu looking one. Biterac. Got none of them. Zeal, a Brazil. Roulette. Araki. He's like a reverse hollow or something. It's like kind of Drenal. Let's go another pack. And it's a Psychic Energy. Journalex. Look, another bald guy, you know, just like me. Or a Romant. So we get these birds all the time. Rossafir. Surely. We don't have one of these yet. That's pretty cool. That looks really cool. I like that. Oh, another one of these. I don't have this guy yet though. Posse. Oh my gosh, we got the ball guy. So like, if you look, he's shiny though. Look at this. He's shiny. What is this guy? So it's a star, but Robbie? All right, 3 more. Ooh, a fighting energy. That's fun. I don't have one of those yet. Fighter. Definitely have one of these already. Another rusty Rodman. Another little turtle. Pikachu looking thing. Another Eevee. Nana Kamara baby. But then this guy's a star as well. I don't even know. Looks like a wasp or something. We got 2 packs left, guys. 2 packs. Hopefully that Charizard's in there. Let's go. Ooh! That's a different type of energy I've never seen before. Team Yell Towel. Rusted shield. Well, at least it's a shield this time, not a sword. Coughing again. Oh look, this one's shiny. That's pretty cool. A double wool. I can't pronounce it. Last pack, guys. And here we go. Okay, so we got a blue energy. Rodman. A rusted sword again. Flutazeel. A Sporanic. Rowlet. Another Pikachu looking thing. A Nickit. An Eevee. Ooh. A Schnorma. Oh my gosh. A shiny one. And then another one. Alright guys, so that completes this whole pack. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. It was a blast. I'm going to put some of these into a binder. I'm going to put some of these into sleeves, the important ones, and I will see you guys in the next unboxing, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this just as much as I do. Take care guys and keep on PoKéMoning.